In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello how to switch between light and dark theme 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Trello and signing in. Once you're on your boards page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or avatar. That's where Trello keeps quick access to your personal settings. Click it to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, find and select Theme. This opens a simple panel where you can control how Trello looks on your device. You'll see 3 options here: light, dark, and match system. Each one changes the interface instantly, so you can preview how it feels before you settle on your preference. Light gives you Trello's standard bright interface. It's crisp, high contrast, and ideal for well-lit environments or for anyone who prefers a cleaner, classic look. If you rely on vivid colors on labels and want the UI to feel airy and familiar, light is a solid choice. Simply click light, and the change will apply right away across your boards and workspaces. Dark switches the interface to a darker palette that's easier on the eyes in low-light conditions. This can help reduce glare and visual fatigue, especially if you work late or in dim rooms. Some users also find dark mode helps colors pop in a more subtle way, making labels and buttons stand out without overwhelming brightness. Click dark to enable it, and Trello will update immediately. Match System tells Trello to follow your browser's current theme settings. If your browser is set to light, Trello will be light. If it's set to dark, Trello will adjust accordingly. If your browser automatically switches themes at certain times of day, Trello will follow that schedule too, so you won't need to change it manually. Choose Match System if you prefer your apps to stay consistent with the rest of your browsing experience. A few quick tips as you choose. You can switch themes anytime using the same menu, so don't worry about getting locked in. The change affects the interface elements like menus, sidebars, and cards, while your boards remain fully functional and easy to navigate. If you collaborate with others, your theme is personal to your account. Changing it won't affect anyone else's view. That's all there is to it. Open your profile menu, head to theme, and pick light, dark, or match system. Try them out for a moment and go with what feels best for your eyes and your workspace. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a Trello theme that suits your day.